This is Igbo Area TV.
Hello. This is gonna be a short one. Just a short one. Today we are going to look into the meaning of Igbo. Could it be that when Igbo is mentioned, it meant only those speaking Igbo in the southeast and some part of south-south? So, on this show today, we're going to look at the meaning of Igbo. The word does not refer to Alaigbo found in Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Imo, and Anambra. What does it mean? It does not just refer to Alaigbo found in Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Imo, and Anambra. When I say Igbo, it is beyond just Alaigbo. It includes Effik, Ibibio, Ijaw, etc. It refers to the constituents of the old eastern region. There are various tribes and dialects in Igbo, but the nation is one. Those who always say the Igbo want to dominate them should learn. No one can dominate himself. Very funny. We shouldn't allow outsiders to destroy us with lies. We are all Igbo by ethnicity and Biafra by nationality. We have diverse dialects, but one language, Igbo. Alaigbo is not more Igbo than Ijaw, Ibibio, and Effik. If you entertain doubt, then kindly find out your ethnicity from Google. Let the truth set us all free. I expect us all to use the truth to reinforce our unity. It does not matter if some are bent on, going for restructuring whatsoever. What matters is that we are wiser now. They will all see the light. There are just some of us who are willing to clutch on a straw because of overdependence on politics. Some are willing to remain enslaved, even if they see that that direction they are going is not making a headway. But I want to tell you something. One day you will sleep in Nigeria and you wake up in Biafra. You might not have the idea of the level of sacrifices the people in Biafra are making. They all know the truth, but still wish to continue to dance the dance of shame. Like we said earlier, this is just a short segment. Please also connect with us on Facebook, Igbo Area TV. You can also like our page. You can join the group, the same name, Igbo Area TV. If you want to connect with the presenter on this station on Facebook, also check Azuka Moneka. If you have materials for us, you can also forward it through Facebook. We also want to be talking about our various states and local government. If you have materials that you want published, please send them to us. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.